Yo, what up? It's your boy C's from theseasoflife.com, and today, man, I just been struggling with just coming up with a topic of discussion, and I realized I haven't been creative all day, so it's hard to muster, those creative juices to come out and flow out with some content that is needed and useful. So, but it got me thinking, all content that you produce, if it's coming from a good place with good intent, then it is needed and useful, because there are people that's going to come across these same roadblocks where it's what do I talk about today? Why am I still doing this? Why am I showing up when I have nothing? I have nothing going on in my mind to communicate. But is that necessarily true? Right? The person that you are today, day by day, you get better and better. It's just that expression isn't coming out the way that you want it to. And maybe the lesson is I need to let go and not force things, right? And that's exactly what I'm trying to communicate through this video right now. Is just relax and just chat as if you're talking to your homie, and when you're talking to your homie, you just can talk for hours about nothing, right? And basically this is what I'm pretty much talking about. I have no actual set topic to discuss, but this untitled video, probably just gonna name it Untitled. I do have an untitled video where I'm just doing the same sort of rambling, but this is a way for me to identify this video so that the future me, right, when I do get my juices flowing and I get back into the swing of things, I could look back at this video and be like, yo, I remember that day where it was hard to communicate my thoughts. Anyway, so the C's of Life, what is the C's of Life brand, and am I trying to build this personal brand? And if I am, what direction do I want to take this personal brand in? Is it health and fitness? Is it personal development? I don't have those answers yet. What I do know is that I'll continue to ask these questions of myself until I seldom realize the answers and I can articulate it the way that I want to. These days are just tough, because you're like, damn, man, I really have no creative juices. And I wish I had somebody else who kind of got, me, so that we can communicate these sort of feelings together and ping off of each other. But it comes from this book that I read recently, and it's How to Be Your Own Best Friend, right? You're your most trusted advisor, and pretty much you have all the answers within you. It just takes you to let go and put forth the effort so that you can seldom realize, yo, there's nobody else, that has the answers for you. You're the only thinker in your world, right? All the thoughts that you believe, become those things and reflect back to you in the outside world. So abundance comes from within, and I know as long as I got these fingers, I can just hit record and just spew out whatever is within me, man. The vision is it's clear, but for some reason I'm just forcing it today. Anyways, I'm not going to keep this video running too long, because like I said, I ain't got much to say today. But One thing I do have is I published a podcast, right? I submitted it to iTunes, and just waiting for iTunes approval. So if you want to hear the full episode, go on to my Twitter account, and it's like the second tweet in my timeline. And yeah, give your boy a listen, retweet it, share it on everything, and yeah. Anyways, Saturday night, your boy's gonna chill in the crib, bump that new Meek Mill album, then go look at The Equalizer 2. So I'm gonna be chilling watching The Equalizer 2. And yeah, relax, man. Cheers.